can I suggest something and get your thoughts on it? And that is that they are noting the ambiguity that Minister Bheki Cele himself has created by his visit last week, which was unspecific in all sorts of ways as to what hat he was wearing. And that's, of course, very appropriate in his case to talk of hats. But that actually the Zondo Commission feels we need to be completely unambiguous about this so that there is no wriggle room for either the Commissioner or the Minister.
I think that's a valid point. I think that basically we're sitting with a situation where we're in a political, legal minefield.
Yes.
We don't necessarily want to know. The thing is that I remember an argument being made in a different context with regard to summons and subpoenas issued for people with regard to the Zondo inquiry, that it should have been the business of the inquiry to issue summons for everyone.
Right.
So that no one could say, listen, every witness could say I was compelled to do this.
Right.
There's a kind of political dimension to Cele's role, and as you rightly pointed out, that he has created that in having this visit, in doing what would never normally be done for any person in the realm of ordinary civilian life.
Absolutely.
And possibly it's in the court will have to deal with questions about this. Why in this specific regard was this order sought against the minister? And of course the minister has now got the option to go under oath,
yes,
and sort of explain his stance on this and explain any potential sort of circumspection that the inquiry may have in regard to his conduct.
News,
experts,
analysis,
where things stand,
what you need to know. Drive home with John Perlman
on 702.